40 years. For 40 years, the Chinese Culture and Community Service Center, known as CCCC, has served the greater Washington community. Located in the heart of Montgomery County, CCCC is a nonprofit providing a diverse range of services to serve Montgomery County's diverse population, particularly Chinese Americans. From the start, CCCC was built on the values of care and service.
Our core value is to care with love and compassion, to serve with sincerity and integrity, and thrive on joy and harmony.
From what started as a passionate group of people looking to make our community better and promote Chinese culture.
So at the very beginning, the so-called United is very deep in my mind. You have seen the logo, it implies CCCC, but it's like a fortress. In Chinese, we have a common word as 众志成城, and that is our spirit.
CCCC has developed into one of the largest Asian American nonprofit organizations in the DC area. Established in November 1982 and with a desire to serve Chinese Americans and the community at large, CCCC slowly expanded throughout the years. In 1998, the Evergreen Club was established to provide a place for seniors to stay active and make friends. It is now a part of CCCC's Community Services Center. In 2003, they opened the Pan Asian Volunteer Health Clinic, now a part of the CCCC Health Center.
Our mission is always to provide access, provide information, provide education, or provide a healthcare plan for them to maintain a better health. Our patients were able to address the physical health and mental health, and also have a plan to achieve a better overall well-being.
Built up of volunteer healthcare providers, the Health Center Clinic is one of Montgomery Care's safety net clinics, and they work to ensure no one is left behind when it comes to obtaining healthcare. To date, they've served over 2,000 patients and are continuing to grow their service offerings.
I'm kind of fully agree with the mission, and I want to contribute my efforts. Those patients without insurance, they are poor, they cannot afford seeing a doctor, and also they have language barrier. So I think what we are doing is we are helping those group of people they really need.
I found a good doctors in this place, and they really care about my health, and they give me appointment when I need, and then I found everything what I need.
Shortly after, CCCC's CLAPS Chinese School was formed to pass on the values of Chinese language and culture. In recent years, CCCC has expanded its education services. Then, in 2008, CCCC expanded to provide senior care through its Adult Day Healthcare Center.
We want to take care of every senior sincerely and provide the best service we can, and hopefully they can stay with their family as long as they can.
It has delivered comprehensive day healthcare services to over 600 seniors. In their continued expansion of services, CCCC started providing home care services in 2015.
I initiate home care and art gallery based on one simple reason, because I can see we need this service, especially in our Chinese community. The goal is to let the senior live independently at their own home and happily, and to live the way they used to.
In 2016, in a strive to reach out to the general public, they established the Art Gallery.
Our mission is to promote artistic experience of cultural differences, facilitate community engagement of the artist and artwork, and create a venue for artists to sell their work.
It has displayed artwork from artists around the world and attracts close to 1,200 visitors annually. During the pandemic, CCCC officially established its Community Services Center, integrating many of its service programs to better reach the community as a whole.
Community services as a whole is for people in the community, and they want to come out to improve their lives, and both mentally and physically, and they value this as an extension to their family.
It currently serves over 2,000 community members, focusing on enhancing cultural exchanges and improving community welfare to bring people together during good and challenging times. In the same period, through its mergers and acquisitions, it established the CCCC Academy to expand its childcare and education services.
This is a Children Approach Center. We want to create an environment for children have different backgrounds, and also we want to create the best environment and the opportunity for them to learn and to grow.
For the youth of today will be the leaders of tomorrow, CCCC Academy works with around 350 students, educating and inspiring them. Most recently, CCCC purchased the Quince Orchard Swim and Tennis Club, now known as the CCCC Swim and Tennis Club, to promote physical health and broaden the scope of services to even more diverse community members.
Quince Orchard Swim and Tennis Club provide not only the swimming pools and the tennis courts venues, but also provide group lessons and private clinic for both swimming and tennis.
Throughout the years, CCCC has expanded a lot, particularly during the last decade. In fact, it worked even harder during this pandemic to reach the unseen and underserved in the community, opening its doors to the entire community to make sure everyone has access to the COVID vaccine, administering over 5,700 doses. Furthermore, CCCC stayed active and engaged with the community by hosting over 100 webinars and raising awareness through its social media channels, gaining over 20,000 monthly social media views on COVID news alone. It also played a vital role in the global fight against COVID-19 by donating PPE to frontline workers.
During this time of COVID, CCCC has done a great job distributing information about the vaccines as well as providing access to these vaccines, bringing this information to this population that doesn't necessarily speak English very well or at all.
I think the most impressive work is vaccination because it delivered more than 5,000 doses to adults, to elderly, as well as young children who have no access to the vaccination. So I think we're really proud of our work. As a community, we take care of each other.
Due to COVID-19, our efforts and services have been highlighted, including the continued operation of all divisions, continuous care for the elderly, online services, online teaching, various lectures, vaccinations, and much more. Our diverse services demonstrate our spirit of unity. Together we can.
Over the past 40 years, CCCC has experienced ups and downs, overcame challenges, and stayed true to its original vision of serving, strengthening, and celebrating Chinese American community.
It's actually based on thinking everybody else like ourselves and do everything for other people just as if we like them to do it for us. CCACC has stayed true to that vision and mission.
中心是我们看诊、送药、量血压、安排活动，在防疫期间送饭，还过生日，大家伙都很开心。
进了这个大家庭，我们就比在一个人孤孤单单的就开心了。所以衷心感恩的事情讲都讲不完，真的讲不完。
There's something special about CCACC. Provide services to the community, to the people in need is our goal. CCACC has been the leader of the community for many, many years. CCACC always identify service areas and we fill the gap all the time.
I've actually been really impressed with the organization here. The songs that my children come home singing, and they are clearly having a good time. But my favorite is they'll want to give me little performances at home. So we'll get them playing with their fingers, you know, the 一根手, 变变变. And so they have fun singing all of the song.
Much of CCCC's growth and success can be attributed to strong leadership and a group of dedicated staff and volunteers.
I like to let more people know about the Chinese culture, let more people to enjoy the art, they give them a good spirit and good interest, and also learn more Chinese culture. I think CCACC personnel or the members and all have good hearts. It's a wonderful years the center have done.
It's about surrounding yourself with a group of people that share your passion for helping other people, and I'm really honored to be a part of that.
Just from the tech support classes, I can see that they've learned a lot from our tech support classes. Whenever we host one of our Lunar New Year celebrations, it's amazing to see how many people are sitting out there and being exposed to our culture and performances.
The core value is service the Chinese community, also brought our values to the societies.
Built on the foundation of service, CCCC has proven itself through its growing range of services and the countless people it has helped.
I think I only use one word to describe the past 4 decades. Amazing. Truly, it's amazing because it takes huge amount of dedication, hard work, efforts, and then sacrifice from numerous people, volunteer, members, colleagues, board members, every one of them. So it's amazing.
To me, CCAC has finally become a mainstream organization. We become one of the most effective community organizations for Asian American community. I think sky is the limit. I would say just keep the same course and continue to expand, continue helping the community as a whole.
The world is moving forward. The needs from the communities are also continue to evolve. So there will be new areas of services. CCACC can cover some. We need to build the community service infrastructure to work as a partner with the different organizations. It's an ongoing action.
For the last 40 years, it has been a long and fulfilling journey in enhancing our community members' quality of life while promoting Chinese culture. And working towards a better and brighter future, let us care with love and compassion, serve with sincerity and integrity, and thrive on joy and harmony. Together, we can.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations on 40 years. 40 years.
40 years.
40 years.
40 years of
Service.